Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am super excited because I have been waiting ever since Emily Noel here on YouTube announced that she was doing a collaboration with Makeup Revolution. If you don't know who Emily Noel is, what are you doing? She was one of the first YouTubers that I ever watched here on YouTube many years ago, and she is so deserving of this. I have never watched someone so genuine, so true. If you ever want to know if a product is good enough and you should buy it, go watch her channel. But I will leave her channel linked below. But she came out with 2 palettes from Makeup Revolution, which I think was amazing because Makeup Revolution is a great brand as well as a very affordable brand. And she came out with a wants palette and a needs palette. So basically the needs palette is everything that you need for the face. It comes with a bronzer, a powder, a setting powder, or all over face powder. It comes with a blush, a highlight, as well as eyeshadows for the eyes, as well as it can be used on the face as well. And the wants palette is beautiful. It comes out with very beautiful shades for the face, the eyeshadow palette. And I ordered both of them. However, the wants palette hasn't came in yet. But I will do a separate video if you want to see that one. But I do have this baby right here. And it is amazing for travel. It is so sturdy. It comes with a huge mirror. And there is the eyeshadow palette as well as the face, and then the setting powder right there. So I have, oh, and this is $15, and it is well worth every penny. But what we're gonna do is, I've already got my base on. My base is primer, my foundation, and concealer, which my concealer has been on for a good 10-15 minutes now, but we're gonna try it all out. And if you want to see how this baby performs, keep on watching. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this shade right here, and it's called Kindness. I love that she put in this palette positivity, because here on YouTube you don't really see a lot of positivity, and every word on here is, it just shows who Emily is as a person. So we're gonna tap into this. Tap, tap, tap. Now we're gonna take, this is the Maybelline New York face brush, and I must dip into what they call Courage, which is right here. And they're not powdery at all, but just keep in mind, Makeup Revolution's products are very, very pigmented, so go in with a very light hand. You can always, always add. See what I mean? I barely tapped into it. If you hear any grunting, it's my little baby down there. She's not a real baby, but she's my dog. She's my baby. And I got my big baby sitting over there. Next, we're gonna tap into what she named Joy, which is a very, it looks like almost like a satin, maybe a muted, rosy, peachy. Don't you love my definitions? And this is the Real Techniques stippling brush. I love blush. I think blush just makes your face come together. It gives it life. I love it. And then we're gonna tap into Gratitude, which is a very beautiful highlight. And again, when you're putting on highlight, it's always, to me, best to just buff it in. Just buff it in. How gorgeous. Emily, you did an amazing job. Like, look at that, guys. How beautiful is that? Okay, so now I set my concealer with that little bit of powder, and then now my eyelids, I don't have an eyelid primer on, but I did put a little bit of the concealer on there. So we're gonna take Love, which is a matte cream color, which is right here, and we're just gonna put that all over the lid. And please don't mind my eyebrows. I'm getting them arched today. I didn't want to pluck them or anything like that because I've been trying to let them grow out. So please overlook that. And now we're gonna take, let's see. I think I'm gonna take my Morphe M505 brush, and we're gonna dip into Peace, which is this right here. And it's almost like a very muted khaki color. And we're gonna put that in our transition shade, as our transition shade. If you don't know what the transition shade is, it's the shade between your lid and your crease. It's right above the crease. You put that there, and then when you put something down in the lower crease, it peeks through. It almost gives you that blended effect where it's like it's going up in color. These blend beautifully, like wow. And I am so excited to get the Wants palette. If you haven't seen it, I will post a picture right here. Guys, how beautiful are those colors? I can't wait to play with the green colors. That color there, Faith, which is a little darker than the one we just used. And I'm gonna take this on a very small brush. This one here is the 282 Eye Fluff brush. It looks like this. It's very, very little. We're gonna tap into Faith. I can even use this. It's a very big, big mirror. I like it. Now I'm gonna take the the Tarte double-ended brush, the fluffy side, and I'm gonna tap into, you know what? No, I'm gonna take the flat brush and I'm gonna tap into the Honesty, which is like a rosy color. And I think I'm gonna put that all over the lid. What do you think? Ain't that gorgeous? We're gonna take this is the Vasanti Contour eyeshadow number 4. It's very small. Dip back into that. There we go. And then blend it up into the crease. I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm gonna dip into Passion, which is like it's like a purple, dark purple, but it's got some type of reddy orange running through it. Can y'all see that? It's a horrible swatch. Let me do a better swatch than that. Let's see. I don't know if it'll pick up the colors on it. But it's got some type of sheen in it. Not sheen, but sparkle in it. But I'm gonna put that on the outer part and see if you even see that color when you do that. I'm gonna dip into the highlight. And then I'm gonna put some eyeliner on and we'll finish up the lower lash line. Okay. So now we're gonna take our pencil brush, which is Crown by Crown. Come on now, don't act crazy. And we're gonna take Faith, which was that color right here. Right here. Honesty on the same brush, which was that color right here. Come on. There we go, right here. I think I'm gonna take that highlighting color on the brush again and spritz it again with the setting spray. What am I gonna do? I'm going to curl my lashes and put on the Maybelline Total Temptations. This. And then I will be right back with the finished look. Okay guys, this is the finished look. What you think? Look. How beautiful is that? Like, way to go, Emily. Good job. I am so proud of you, and I cannot wait to get the wants in my hands. That palette will be endless looks, so look forward to that, guys, because it's coming. So on my lips, since I've got so much going on, I just paired it with like a brownie nude, but I have the Wet n Wild Color Icon and Brandy Wine, the lip liner, and then I took the Milani Nude Cream, which is beautiful, and I paired it with that, and it gave these lips. What you think? I think it turned out gorgeous, and I think this palette is well worth $15. Matter of fact, it's worth probably $30. So way to go, Emily and Makeup Revolution. You killed it. So yeah, guys, that is the end of the video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a like and subscribe so you can become a part of the tea club. And you know, we come here, we chill, we talk, we do makeup, and yeah, we have fun. That's what I want my channel to be. So if you want to become a part of it, all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button right down below. It's super easy. I'll give you 2 seconds. Go ahead, it don't take that long. See, it wasn't that hard. Now you're a part of the family. So yeah, guys, that's it. And make sure you click that notification bell because you want to be notified when I upload a video, right? So yeah, that's it. I will see you in the next one. Bye.